Away they go. Angel Eunice from the outside marked this bird expecting Caitlin. Alongside Jen's Joy down on the inside. Flamenco Miss in the middle is I Did It My Way. And Anonymous is the early trailer by about 4 or 5 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader. Jen's Joy is now the leader, followed by Angel Eunice as they move towards the 3/4 mile distance. Jen's Joy by some 3 lengths. Angel Eunice expecting Kaitlin, another 3 lengths, corner back in third, and running in fourth is Flamenco Miss Bideral in the middle. Is entry number 2, Mark This Bird, alongside is I Did It My Way, and an Anonymous is still running at the tail of the field, passing the half-mile post. Jen's Joy by some 2 lengths, followed now by Expecting Kaitlin. Angel Eunice, I Did It My Way is racing forward by some 2 lengths. Mark This Bird is running by Daryl Flamenco Miss, and Anonymous is still running at the tail of the field. Jen's Joy by 3/4 of a length. Expecting Kaitlin, Angel Eunice, and making room by Daryl Smart This Bird as they race the final corner. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Expecting Kaitlin, Jen's Joy in the middle. Mark This Bird down on the inside. I Did It My Way. Angel Eunice, Flamenco Miss, and Anonymous. Expecting Kaitlin by a length and a half. I Did It My Way is on the outside. And finally, it's going to be Expecting Kaitlin. Number 4, I Did It My Way. Mark This Bird, Anonymous.